Hello everyone, welcome to my latest video. Recently, some fans told me that baby runway videos are super popular, like the video at the beginning. Whether it's on YouTube or TikTok, the views are off the charts. They asked if I could make a tutorial on how to create a baby runway video. Well, I love my fans very much, so I did some research and checked out a few examples. Wow, these videos are indeed amazing. On TikTok, the top videos have tens of millions of views. Even the low-performing ones easily hit hundreds of thousands. On YouTube, the views are also fantastic. Take a look at this channel. Their most popular short video has 14 million views. And guess what? That video was uploaded in September, so it hit 14 million views in just 2 months. That's incredible. Other videos on the channel are also performing well, all in the millions. And here's the kicker. This channel is super new. It was created in August, and now, in December, it already has 370K subscribers. Clearly, this is a very promising niche. All right, let's dive in. Now I'll show you how to create a baby runway video, step by step. The whole process has 4 steps. Step 1, write the prompts, the classic starting point. Don't worry, I've prepared some sample prompts for you. Check the description below. Open Chatgpt, copy my prompts. Boom. Let Chatgpt do its magic and generate the prompts for you. Done. Chatgpt has generated 5 prompts for me. Let's take a look. If you want to switch themes, just ask Chatgpt for a new theme, and it will generate more. If you're a Chatgpt Plus user, things get even easier. Take a screenshot from someone else's video and let Chatgpt create a similar prompt for you. Here, I've asked Chatgpt to create prompts for several different themes. For each theme, I will generate a few images to see how they look. Step 2. Generate the images. Open Piclumen AI. Click Launch App. Click Create. Select the Flux 1 Schnell. Set the aspect ratio to 16.9. And I usually choose 4 images to generate at once. Copy the prompt. Hit Generate. And voila. For example, I generated 3 sets of images for a fruit theme. Then I tried a couple more themes, generating 2 sets each. Download your favorite images to your computer. Step 3. Turn images into a video. Open Hailuo AI. Click Create. Drag the downloaded images into the app. For the prompt, I used something like the baby walking towards the camera. Hit Generate. Free users can only generate 3 videos at a time, so take a coffee break while waiting. Once the videos are ready, download them to your computer. Step 4. Edit the video. Open Capcut. Import your videos and background music. First, drag the background music onto the timeline, then click AI Marker to sync the video's rhythm with the music for a smoother flow. Adjust the background music. I like to use a more upbeat section. Now drag the videos onto the timeline. Slow them down slightly for a smoother effect, then click Resize to adjust the size and position. I like to add 2 keyframes to create a more dynamic camera movement. Apply the same process to all video clips. As a demo, I added 6 clips, but honestly 2-3 clips are enough for a short video. Keep the video length between 12 to 15 seconds for the best results. Finally, add some transition effects. Export the video, and we're done. Let's take a look at the final result. Alright friends, that's all for today's video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next one. Good luck.